He walked away thinking you will never get over him. He assumed you will cry and beg. But what if the most powerful revenge is not revenge at all? It's transformation. He thought you would lose yourself trying to win him back. But what he didn't know is that heartbreak can awaken a version of you that's unstoppable. Today, I'll brutally show you how to make him regret losing you, not by chasing, not by proving, but by quietly becoming everything he thought you would never be without him. Stay to the end because the last part will flip your entire mindset about heartbreak. Part 1. Understand why he doesn't regret it yet. You can't make someone regret losing you when you are still begging for their attention. Regret only comes after distance and after peace. Right now, he feels in control. He's used to you reacting, calling, posting sad quotes, or trying to make him notice. He believes you will always be available when he decides to come back. But here is the truth. The more emotionally reactive you are, the more he feels validated. But the moment you go silent, calm, and detached, even unbothered, that's when curiosity starts to kick in. Because silence forces a person to sit with themselves. And nothing haunts them more than the absence of your energy. Think about it. When someone suddenly stops chasing you, don't you start to wonder why? That wondering turns into reflection. Reflection turns into realization. So, step 1, pull your energy back. Don't announce it. Don't post about your healing. Don't tell him you are done. Just disappear quietly and redirect your focus inward. He won't feel it immediately, but give it time. When the call stops, when the test stops, when your presence no longer fuels his ego, that's when regret starts to whisper in his mind. Part 2. Transform your pain into power. Pain is your most honest mirror. It shows you where you've been giving too much and receiving too little. So instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Ask, what is this trying to teach me? Don't waste your heartbreak. Use it. Start by rebuilding your daily routine. Wake up, move your body, journal your emotions. Instead of testing him, pray, meditate, do things that anchor you back to yourself. Each small act of self-care is a statement, I'm taking my power back. When you look after your physical and emotional health, your glow starts from the inside. You start smiling differently. You carry yourself differently. And that subtle shift in energy, that's magnetic. He may not say it, but trust me, he will notice. Because regret doesn't come from seeing you cry, it comes from seeing you rise. Every new photo, every confident word, every calm silence says, I was never broken, I was just rediscovering myself. And let me be clear, this transformation isn't about showing off for him. It's about showing up for you. Because the day you stop trying to prove your worth is the day your true power begins. Part 3. Detach with dignity. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop clinging. It's choosing peace over proving. You can still love someone and still decide to walk away. And here is the brutal truth. People regret losing you when they realize your absence feels more peaceful than your presence ever felt chaotic. So, stop checking his socials, stop reading old chats, stop replaying the good memories like a highlight reel. Every time you do, you reopen a wound that's already trying to heal. Silence isn't weakness, it's strength in disguise. When you stop feeding that emotional connection, he will start to feel the vacuum. He will wonder what you're doing, who you are with, and why you are suddenly so quiet. And that's when regret begins, not from guilt, but from curiosity mixed with loss. Part 4. Reinvent your energy. The real glow up isn't makeup or filters, it's energy. When your energy shifts from sadness to self-respect, everything about you changes. Your voice, your walk, your laughter, even your eyes start to sparkle differently. Start learning something new. Upgrade your skills. Go back to school if you have to. Travel, meet new people, and explore your passions. When your life starts to expand, the person who left you starts to shrink. And here is the twist. Your growth becomes a silent mirror that shows him what he lost. You are not competing, you are evolving. You are not pretending, you are progressing. You are showing through action that you were always the prize. So, go, live, laugh, go, rebuild yourself so beautifully that your absence becomes louder than your presence ever was. And that's how you make him regret losing you, not with bitterness, but with brilliance. Part 5. The silent revenge. Success and peace. The sweetest revenge is not to prove you are better, it's to live better, because the moment you stop looking backwards, life rewards you with opportunities you never really saw coming. He will regret losing you not because you are trying to make him, but because your peace, your growth, and your silence speak louder than his ego ever could. He will wonder how you moved on so fast. He will check your stories, your updates, maybe even try to reach out on message. And that's when you will know he finally sees what he lost. But by then, you would have already outgrown him. If you're watching this, remember, you are not defined by who walked away. You are defined by who you became after they left. Make your healing your priority, your peace, your standard, and your self-worth. You are non-negotiable because one day they will realize what they lost. But you will be too far gone to care. If this video spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this message with another woman who needs this reminder today. Rise up, Queen, adjust your crown, and keep moving. And I will see you in the next one.